Now let us see, not only kidney, even other organs are helpful in our body to excrete waste material. So let us see what are those organs which are helping in excreting. Understood? Organs which are helpful in excretion are lungs, liver, the intestine, and skin. So these are the organs which help in removing the waste. Understood? Now comes to lungs. We know that lungs will remove carbon dioxide from our body. In second chapter respiration you have learnt about this. So lungs remove carbon dioxide. That is the waste which is present in our body. Got it? Now what is the function of liver? Liver helps in urea formation, and liver will remove urochrome, which comes when RBCs are dyed. See, generally you might have learned in 9th class, 3rd lesson. Okay, blood cells. Understood? RBC lives only for 120 days. Okay, so new RBC will come from the bone marrows, old RBC will die. Understood? So whatever after it is broken down after the death of RBC, urochrome, biliverdin, bilirubin, all these are produced, waste are produced. So urochrome comes out through urine. Liver will remove urochrome, then biliverdin and bilirubin. So biliverdin, bilirubin are present in bile pigments, yellow color fluid, okay, and urochrome, it comes out through urinary system. So these are the waste. Not only this, some extra hormones, vitamins, these are all removed by liver. Okay, next, intestine. Intestine, extra calcium, extra iron, okay, whatever extra minerals are present, these can be removed by intestine, large intestine cells. Understood? Next is skin. In skin, sweat glands are present. Sweat glands will remove the sweat. This sweat, have you tasted sweat anytime? Sweat is salty. Understood? So this sweat contains water. H2O is a formula for water. Generally we write H2O for water. Okay. Now sweat contains water as well as extra salts. Some salts it contains. Understood? So salts, water is removed through sweat glands. Then skin also contains sebaceous glands. It contains sebaceous glands. What is the use of sebaceous glands? It secretes sebum. What is sebum? Have you seen? When you go to cinema theater, you'll go with fresh body and spray and all everything. After 3 hours, when you come out from cinema theater, you will see all oil on your face. So this oil which you see on your face, this is called as sebum. So this sebum contains waxes and extra hormones. Understood? And it also contains some fatty acid, hydrocarbons, fatty acid, extra salts. Understood? Extra hormones, these sterols are present in the sebum. So which you see oil on your face. So that is sebum. So skin contains sweat glands which remove sweat, And skin removes. Skin also contains sebaceous glands. This will release sebum, which contains waste. Understood? So these are the other organs which helps in excretion. Understood?